Everybody, I'm sorry. Hey guys, I am Divine Evans. You have to. I'm so sorry. I've been gone a little months and saw the Hobbit lot yesterday. It was good. I went to Walmart and get new 3D stuff for Xbox. I mean, the TV player. We can't find it. I finally found this one. I finally found that Cruise Sounds Friendly. Santa Little Engines. Yeah. Yippee. And I've been looking for it for a whole month. I don't want to wait. I went to Sam's first, looked for the 3D stuff, and found the disc, and I found the season 2. Let's start opening up. Hold on, let's see where's. There we go. New one. Now, I'm gonna tell my cousin to found it and she won't order this. Okay, so. Okay, here we are. Got it open? Let's check. No, I don't need that. New DVD cover. Cool. I finally got that Christmas. I gotta watch the marathon for a whole 4 days. New CGI season. I didn't get to do one. Books. And so, with the Correct Master, always to be here soon. Let's go to the next one. That's my Tom Stevens story. And DVD, that was them. This is Big Bang Theory. I looked for a whole month. I finally found this. I opened it in the car. My mom's boyfriend's car. He looked for that Blu-ray. And let's start with him. Oh, that's us. Okay. I made this one. Okay. Season 1. Let's check how many one episode today. One was my favorite. I love the show. It's kind of okay. It's kind of funny characters. This one, what? Hold on a second, hold on. So, that's okay. Now, sorry, take that long. Okay. This one. Hold on. This 2. This 2 with my favorite character, my favorite funny characters. When I thought it was funny, okay. Well, my birthday popped up to season 3. This for our last one. So, I'm sorry to be that long because my school starts on Silver and I got an exam to finish on. I won't make the videos for a little while. Oh, I'm not canceling. It's, well, I'll be gone for a whole month. I'm so sorry. I'll make some new videos and I'll get my new movie show starting soon. For Christmas, I'm gonna do it for Christmas. So I'm possibly going to say hi to you guys for Christmas. This show, this will be 481 minutes. So I'm gonna watch this person, watch this one too. I got to pick mini, money, mo. I have to pick this first. We watch this first at little hours and watch this Christmas movie and watch the marathon for a couple of days for Christmas episodes. I hope you like the DVD, my new DVD, my new one's coming out. I hope you all like my new one. Thank you so much. I hope you like this live. Happy holidays, still. Happy holidays.